and I have my oven rack here. I'm going to start by putting water into the base pan, and this is just going to add some needed steam so that our meat doesn't just dry out and it doesn't cook through. It is actually going to cook through and dry as well. So we're just going to take our brush, get some oil. Smells absolutely divine. So we're going to switch to top burner with the fan, and we're doing this 180 degrees. I'm going to come back here in 15 minutes. So guys, it's been about 15 minutes and I adjusted the temperature on the oven to 150 and it has been here for a while. So I'm just going to come check on it and flip it. Oh, we are looking very good. Can you see? Remember I told you that the reason why I was putting this water in was so that, you know, there's some steam, you know, to enable the meat cook through before we now get to sort of like the proper grilling process. So 15 minutes is good enough time. I'm going to take the water out and then we're going to turn on top and bottom burner with the fan. Yeah, close this and let our suya do its magic. You feel me? You feel me? Okay, so it's been about another 12 minutes and I'm doing that thing our suya man used to do. Our suya is ready. Woo! It is all dry. Everything is perfect. Customer, which one, how much one you want? You know, that's pretty much it. So I'm serving for my customer now. Customer, how much one you say you want? So this is the finished product for our suya, and like I always say, if you have any questions about this recipe, by all means feel free to ask me in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer you. If there's anything you want me to teach you how to make, ask me in the comment section as well. And if you're trying to upgrade your cooking skills, I mean you want to learn how to make over 170 diverse recipes, click on the link in my bio to register for my upcoming Home to Pro online cooking class. Let me know. Was this helpful?